बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का हमारा ऐसा है सीनिक प्लेस। सीनिक मतलब कुदरती खूबसूरती वाली जगह। देयर आर सो मेनी नाइस प्लेसेस इन आवर कंट्री. They are scattered all across the country. Every place has its own distinct features. Some places have historical buildings and monuments, and some places have modern tall buildings and towers. But some places are famous for their scenic beauty. Kashmir is one of them. I have visited so many places, but Kashmir is the most scenic place I have ever seen. Kashmir is known for its breathtakingly beautiful landscapes and natural attractions. People called it the Switzerland of Pakistan. Kashmir is a paradise on earth that is blessed with natural beauty, with snow-clad mountains, tall trees of chinar and pine, lush green plains and valleys. Kashmir is one of the most enchanting places on earth. It has been a great attraction for tourists all across the world. Kashmir is a land of roaring rivers, majestic lakes, transparent streams, snowy peaks, waterfalls, tall trees, green mountains, forests, and splendid valleys. It is located in the Himalayan region. Kashmir has many enchanting landscapes and green forests. Varieties of flowers add to the beauty of Kashmir. It is one of the best natural spots in Pakistan. It is a God-gifted paradise on earth. The reflection of huge mountains in the still water of the lake presents a beautiful sight. Apart from having great scenic attractions, these places are good health resorts. Indeed, the beauty of Kashmir is enchanting. In conclusion, the scenic beauty of Kashmir is unique, and it is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to reconnect with the beauty of the natural world. ये तो हमारा ऐसे है। उम्मीद है आपको पसंद आया होगा। वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।